Under 7, we've been told to again confirm our pairing. Under 7s, before you start, please check your pairings. Something else I have to say, this is a small announcement, everyone. As we come to the end of our chess tournament, we urge everyone to stay behind for the closing ceremony. I know some of us are not very happy, some of us are very happy. I would urge everyone, it's gonna be very brief. I would want everyone to experience the closing ceremony. Is that okay? Yes. So thank you very much.
It's 3:15. It's 3:15. Start your clock.